All right, so today we're gonna be unboxing the Kensui Calibrated Chrome weight plates and see what all the hype is about, because these definitely look super dope. So it's definitely packaged well. In here, we're supposed to be having two 10-pound weight plates. So we got, there we go. We got a pair of 10-pounders. And again, these look dope. And from what I've been seeing online, they definitely look like they will live up to the hype. But the only way to check out and see if that is true is seeing it in person. So let's see. Once we got all of this out of the way, all the tape securely packaged. Let's see. Okay, it's on this side. I gotta go give it a little opening. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is it. It's a box within a box. That's, oh, I feel like you got heavier after I took this out. All right, so it's a box within a box that looks like the same box that I just got, but now it's just smaller. But all the information is here. Steel plates, chrome finish, 10 pounds. And they do have it in kilograms, so this, I got the 10-pound version instead of the 5-kilogram version. So now let's open this one up, slide this through. All right. All right. All right. Oh, whoa. Look, it keeps getting heavier and heavier, which makes no sense. Oh, snap. These are clean. Yo, these are nice. This is dope. All right, so this is the plate itself, and obviously it comes in a pair. So this is the other one. And what I was seeing is, one, they're super thin. Can't really tell how thin my fingers are, but it's only a little bit thicker than one of my fingers. And the way they distinguish these plates from each other, if you obviously couldn't see the 10 on the front, is that it also does have this white line on the side of it. So with this white line, you're able to tell that this, let's say you're looking at it from the side, if you have it loaded up on a bar or something, you would know that the white plate is a 10-pounder. But these are pretty dope. They're small, pretty much about the size, a little bit bigger than my hand. And this is actually pretty cool. Can't wait to try these out. And what this pairs with really well, which I'm actually gonna use, is the weight vest that Kensui has too. So I do have that right here. And they're supposed to work well with each other. Obviously, it's the same company. We can see how that works out. I've actually been able to load some plates on a Kensui vest before, but never loaded a Kensui plate on it. And this, super smooth, fits perfect, locked it. It's not going out of place. So this is good. And then if you're loading up with 20 pounds, obviously load the back. You can load it on the front. You can load them both on the front. You can load them both on the back. You can load one in the front, but to even it out, gotta do that. All right, there we go. And now this thing right here is ready to go. So all in all, this is a 20-pound vest. And this is one of the cool things about Kensui, is that they're pretty creative and innovative. So this is their easy vest. And now I could put, if I wanted to, I could put more weight on it, but it doesn't come standard with any weight. And I'm using their 10-pound chrome plates for this. So pretty dope. I'm gonna start using this in some of my workouts, see how it works. Some of my weighted calisthenics workouts, maybe even some runs, and see how it treats me. But all in all, this vest feels pretty smooth, feels pretty comfortable compared to other weighted vests that I have used in the past. And the plates are pretty smooth. But time will tell to see how it works in regular day workouts. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned And we'll make more videos using the vest like this and using the weight plates where they seem fit. So again, stay tuned for that.